Today we are learning how to create our own functions. Yes, how to create our own functions. So now I'm going to come here and create my own function, that is my rectangle. And remember, the name can't leave space in between. It should be one name only. And like this, so we are creating our own function. So here I'm going to create one rectangle. And then close. But when I run, I can't see any rectangle because I have to define it. So under function draw, I will define it. Sorry, it's rectangle. It's my rectangle. We wrote wrong spelling. Still, we wrote wrong spelling. So now we can see that this rectangle has been created. But what if I cut this statement and write this outside function here? What if? Now I can't see. What I can't see? Can't see this rectangle. Why? Because this needs to be always in function draw only. Because that is where our main point. That is where it is drawing everything. So we can see that we have created our own function, that is my rectangle, and when I define it, then only it is coming. It is visible to us. So like this, we can create more such functions we can create, and it will be useful when we are creating our games.